Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI for data visualization and charts. So to get the best charts, what you need to do basically is first thing what you need to do is upload your data. So how you will do that? You can just find it on your computer and then drag it right into it, or you can click on plus icon right here in this text editor and add files or photos. And from here, let's say we will add this one like that. All right, now we have our file in, and what we are going to do now, we will put some text into it, so to make clear what we want with our file. So let's say something like that, distribution for example, and hit go to add our Claude option to do his own thing. Now, as you can see, it's working on this file. So something like that, for example, and we get pretty nice looking graph from our file. Now, if you hover over at the top right, you will see that you can copy to clipboard or download the file. So you will download this chart basically. And yeah, this is pretty much what you can do with data visualization and charts. So I hope this video helped you out a little bit. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the